Okay. You're gonna attach it, right? I'm just gonna hold it. No, you don't want to do that first, sweetie. You want to put the screws through first.
Oh, right.
You want to make sure that they're
Oh gosh! Oreo, no. I don't really
put the screws through and make sure they go all the way through because they'll get stuck a little bit.
go.
Yeah. Now that the screws are all the way through, you can hold this up so that it matches those screws, and then you can begin to attach it.
I really wish I didn't put that down. Mom, they
Sweetie.
can't see.
You have no. Don't use the tool yet.
Oh.
You got to line it up. You got to get them lined up, sweetie.
Nope, it's not lined up.
And you can use your fingers to begin to thread it a little bit so that it's lined up.
No, it's wobbling. Oh gosh, stop moving it.
Okay.
Push it back this way. Gosh. Holy cow, that hurt my ear so badly.
Talk about assembling this piece because we made a mistake. We put the wrong bar in on the wrong side. This is the front where the, like you said, the logo is.
And then,
Go ahead.
my mom didn't flip this over
Then the
correctly.
screws, those two screws there.
And then you didn't flip it over correctly.
These two screws are going to connect to this piece right here.
And then you didn't flip it over correctly, so that part
It
was
doesn't matter how it happened, V. We want people to understand when they assemble this, if they watch this video before they assemble it, they want to know that they want to put these two screw holes where the shortest distance is to the device so that it matches the screw holes right there. Right?
It doesn't really.
It will in a second once we get it lined up and we put the screws in. Do you have the screws? Yep, right there.
Come on.
Yep.
Come on. It's not fitting.
Yeah, it's a little bit more difficult because this gets in the way of that handle. So you might actually want to use the long handle. They're both the same size. But if you turn it, if you turn it that way, then you can twist it at the end and it won't bump into the bottom.
But it's way harder.
It is more awkward, yeah. And that is half of step 2. The other half is we're going to put this,
Well, maybe it's like
we're going to attach this
like
on.
2/4 because we did 2 steps of
Step 2.
Put this one there. Put these 2 here. So we did half. Need scissors.
So you have M5X8. Which is right there. And that's the item we use, the screws we use to attach this. 2 of
So where do
those.
we put it?
We need item 9. Sweetie, I'm in way over my head here. I told you I have no idea what to do with a 3D printer. I have absolutely no idea what we're doing.
I need help to thread this in.
Oh, you just need to thread the screw. Yeah, I can probably help with that.
Actually, no, this just has to stay together.
You just have to hold it together. So
This has to be completely together.
Okay. Okay, getting this piece on was crazy complicated because we could not figure out which angle it was supposed to go
Well,
in.
I could at least. But
Well, yeah, but I didn't understand it at all.
You couldn't understand what
And
I was
then
saying.
I thought that
Alright,
these
I got it.
needed a screw, but actually those holes are just to allow the tool to reach into the screw.
Done.
Done.
Alright.
Okay, so that was steps 6 and 7? No, steps 5 and 6. Okay, so now we're ready for step 7.
Alright, we already did that one.
Yeah, we did steps 5 and 6.
Because it was easier.
So how many steps are there in this?
I think it was 12.
Okay. On to step 7.
Tighten this one, so we need 7.
Item number 7. So why do we need to loosen this one?
So it can go into here.
Okay, so it can slide onto the bar. I understand. We did that once before with another piece. Oh, this piece over here. We had to loosen it so it would slide onto the bar. Okay, this was super complicated. There is a little, basically like a rubber band here with threading on the inside, and it attaches here.
It's literally like a trampoline, but tiny.
It's like a tiny trampoline, and it goes in through there
Here.
and around this little thing at the end.
It's like a little
And it was
trampoline.
really difficult to get it threaded in. We actually used some chopsticks to get us.
Well, I would rather use this.
Okay, you were using the tiny screwdriver.
Yeah, it's my easier.
And let me see if you can see how it gets
No,
threaded inside there.
So like, right.
Right, yeah, it gets
There.
threaded right in there.
Oh gosh. Yeah. So like, right here.
Yep, that's it.
It's
And it was really difficult to get it threaded in there.
and it goes all the way down. 2 of these on each side. Last part.
It's not the last part, sweetie. We got a lot to go.
Wait, what?
That's not the last piece. We got a lot to go.
Is it right there? How does it go in? Does it go like that? No. Come on. At least I have tiny fingers. Duh. How do you... Oh, I saw this little thingy. How do you use it?
I don't know, sweetie.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Don't break. I'm just doing stuff. I don't know how to work it.
Okay, it appears to have power. Now you need to send a 3D file to the printer so it can print that file.
Okay. Move it.
So how do you get an Ender 3
Let's just search
3D file printer file?
Let's just search up how to use the Ender free 3D printer.
Okay. Go ahead and search on YouTube.
All right. All right.